Hi everyone, today I will be giving you the list of all the important doctrines under TPA which are important for the Judicial Services examination, and that will help you for a quick revision before the exam. They're important for mains as well as preliminary examination and maybe for the interview. So the students who find TPA as one of the most dry subjects and find it challenging to understand all these doctrines, this video is for you. Please watch it till the end. Hi, my name is Mrs. Kritika Singh. It's been over a decade that I have been helping and supporting students to crack judiciary. For more detailed concepts and clarity on law, you can download my app, that is EJ Law Academy, from the Play Store. You can also be part of our community by joining our Instagram page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is EJ Law Academy. So please take a note of all these doctrine. Please take a pen and a paper and इन doctrines को आप लिख लीजिए जो आपको help करेंगे for the exam. So the first being rule against perpetuity, which is covered under section 14 of your Transfer of Property Act. Second is transfer for the benefit of an unborn person, section 13 TPA. Then we have doctrine of CYPRESS, CYPRESS, which is covered under section 26. Along with it, we also have rule of Maitland. It is Maitland rule को हम rule of interpretation कहते हैं. ऐसे questions आपको preliminary examination में पूछ सकते हैं कि what is rule of Maitland, doctrine of CYPRESS का meaning क्या है, as nearly as possible. कौन से section में वो covered है, section 26. Then we have doctrine of acceleration, which is covered under section 27 of your Transfer of Property Act. Then we have transfer by an ostensible owner, and followed by doctrine of feeding the grant by estoppel. Then we have doctrine of lis pendens, that is section 52. And before that we also have the doctrine of priority, जो section 48 में covered है. Then we have fraudulent transfers, which is section 53. लिस्ट पेंडेंस 52 था, फ्रॉडुलेंट ट्रांसफर 53 है, और फिर 53A जो है आपका 1929 में ऐड हुआ, जिसमें आपको डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ पार्ट परफॉर्मेंस दिया गया है. ये सारे इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्ट्रिन्स जो हैं आपके चैप्टर 2 TPA में ही कवर्ड है. उसके बाद आपके सेपरेट टॉपिक्स हैं लाइक सेल, मॉर्गेज, लीज, जो TPA में है. सो यू कैन टेक अ नोट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम एंड प्रिपेयर देम वेल फॉर द एग्जाम. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. God bless. Bye-bye.